Welcome to Paris. So day one started on a great note. We woke up in the morning, went for a run across the city. It's such a dream for me as a romance book fan to be going for a run in the morning in Paris. बड़े मजे आए. कॉफी वगैरह पी के रेडी होके देन वी लेफ्ट. वी वर इनवाइटेड बाय द इंडिया हाउस जो हम देखने गए थे. सो बेसिकली ओलंपिक्स पे अलग अलग कंट्रीज के अलग अलग हाउसेज होते हैं. इंडिया हैड इट्स ओन हाउस एंड वाज ब्यूटीफुल. सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू गो टू दीज हाउसेज यू गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस दीज कंट्रीज. और वहाँ जाके ऑब्वियसली हमने बड़ी अच्छी खासी हैवी वाली थाली खाई फॉर लंच. I don't want to love this so much, but I love it so much. There was handloom work, there was like things that were out on exhibits, there were little shops where you could buy Indian things और बहुत सुंदर. Everyone there was very very hospitable as they are in our country. Hello, good morning. It's Friday. On our way to a shakeout run. Basically, कल 10 किलोमीटर वाला वो रन है. Said Prajakta while she held on to the last few bites of her croissant. और आज ऐसे कि बोलो practice run, shakeout run करेंगे. मेरे में कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं है भाई. मैंने जो खाना दबाया है जब से मैं यहाँ आई हूँ. I have no shame in admitting that I have eaten like nobody's business. I have rarely worked out. I went for a run yesterday. That's it. मैं देख रही हूँ 40,000 लोग भागने वाले हैं कल. हमारे आसपास बड़े सारे लोग हैं जो शेकआउट रन के लिए जा रहे होंगे. मतलब प्रैक्टिस रन टाइप आधे घंटे का. Everyone's like holding their Americanos. मैंने 3 अंडे, ब्रेड, क्रोसो, कॉफी सब दबा लिया and we are late. Let's go. Good morning. There's a news article that says Prajakta Kori makes Olympic history. I had never thought this is something I would read in my life in a newspaper. It is a Saturday morning. The day started off a little wonky because I woke up to some heartbreaking news, but we continued. बहुत मज़ेदार conversation हुआ with Eric Garcetti, who's the US ambassador to India. Actually, I had a really good time chatting with him. He was very, very sweet. He lives in Delhi. And now the nerves of just the run later tonight are setting in. We then went to the Champions Park, जहाँ पे ceremonies होती हैं उन सब के लिए जिन्होंने medals जीते अपने अपने countries के लिए. It was a mad feeling. इतनी गर्मी थी पेरिस में उस दिन, but everybody was there with the spirit of sport and unity, and it was great. No matter how slowly I prayed for time to pass, this minute has come. And it's happening. We're on our way to collect our bib and all the credentials and stuff. And then I think we've got about 45 minutes till it starts. All quite exciting right now. If there was ever a time to quit and deny this experience, that time has passed. I have faked it for too long and now I have the band and I have the number and I'm here. And it's the starting line and we'll see what happens. I got my audiobook copy, I got my phone, I got caffeine, I got a little bit of goosebumps, and I got my legs. So we're going to see what we can do. Right before I start, I just want to tell myself that whatever I can do, I'm going to be proud of myself. At the end of this night, I don't want to come back thinking I should have done more. I don't want it regret. Even if it's a 3 kilometer, I want to be okay with what I've done. That's the point tonight. It's a new one. It's a first for me in general. If there was ever a place where I should run, then Paris is not bad. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So to tell you a little bit about why I did what I did with Olympics in Paris, क्यों मैं 10 किलोमीटर भागी रात को पेरिस की सड़कों पे. Basically, the Olympics has this campaign called the Let's Move campaign, जहाँ पे वो encourage करते हैं non-athletes जैसे आपके और मेरे जैसे लोगों को to take fitness more seriously, to make fitness a more important part of their life. And for someone like me, who it has benefited so much in the past 2-3 years, the minute मैंने इस campaign के बारे में सुना, I was like, I have to be a part of this. Please let me come and do this run. It was challenging, it was scary. I was hating this decision till I ran through and crossed the 10k mark and got my medal, and then it was great. And I just came to realize that that is what fitness is all about for me also. When I start doing it, I hate it. Every time I move, every time I go for a swim, every time I go to the gym, after a long while I hate it and I curse myself. And then once it's done, it's the most gratifying, affirmative feeling there is. I won't be able to walk for the rest of my life, but that's okay. Now get me out of here, please. So पिछले साल दिसंबर में ये पहला मेल आया था, and I remember doing this call with the team, and I was like, August में है ना, 8 महीने है ना, हाँ I'll train, I can do 10k. I'll train for 8 months. फिर mismatch shoot कर लिया, फिर कुछ और कर लिया, फिर जून आ गया, फिर जुलाई आ गया. July is when I actually started like running every now and then. I had never run in my life. मैं पहली बार मैंने करा शुरू, और पहले बार 3 किलोमीटर में बैंड बजी, फिर 5, फिर 6, पर मैं 6 से आगे कभी जा ही नहीं पाई. I couldn't do as many runs as I was supposed to do. And in my head I kept telling myself that you can wing everything. You can't wing this. You can't just turn up in Paris and take your bib and reach the starting point and just wing it. You can't do it. Now I'm so spoiled because turns out I can. Dude, if I can wing this, I mean, my calves are cramping so badly. मैं खड़ी हूँ, मैं बैठ गई ना, मेरी बैंड बजाएगी, मैं उठ नहीं पाऊँगी. But हम अभी मेट्रो स्टेशन से चल के आए हैं. मेरी मौत अभी बिल्कुल हुई नहीं है. मैं खुश हूँ. थोड़ी बहुत भूख लगी है. I think I'm going to drink something. I'm definitely going to send a voice note to Mama and Prashant and Baba. What a night. Like, how did I just... See, I know 10k for like runners is not a big thing, but for me, who has never run in her life, is a huge thing. I don't know how I just woke up one day and decided I'm going to go run 10,000 meters with the Olympics team. Just for fun. बहुत सारी बार ना जब मैं भाग रही थी, I wasn't even quiet when I said, why did I sign up for this? And इतने सारे लोग जो साइड में खड़े थे, the very very sweet French people of Paris, kept looking at me and laughing, and they were like, Ale, which I'm guessing is, come on, you got this. That volume till 5 kilometers just kept getting more and more, and I was like, why did I sign up for this? Why did I called GP and I said, GP, don't let me sign up for things next time. Like, I don't want to do things anymore. And GP's like, yeah, of course. But I think after the 5th, I think the 6th kilometer, I was like, I'm more than halfway through, so let me see what I can do. So intermittently भागना चलना करते 8, 9, 10 हो गए, and then I got my medal. It's legit. It says Marathon Portus, Paris 24, the date, and finisher 10. It's a whole thing. I wanted to quit so much, so many times. And now that I think about it, I would have been so upset with myself for not finishing. And it has nothing to do with like timing or race or coming first or second, just the fact that I told myself I'd finish it. And if I hadn't, I'd be very upset. But I guess we'll never know now. Survived the night. I woke up hungry. I couldn't sleep सुबह 6 बजे तक because like overall just like the adrenaline, the caffeine was running through my veins, and I was very excited to make the post on Instagram also. वो upload हुआ, उसके बाद मेरे ख्याल से 6 सवा 6 मैं सोई हूँ, तो 9:30 मैं उठ गई हूँ. मुझे बहुत तेज भूख लग रही है, and I was craving a cappuccino crepe, and I'm awesome. जाके नहाएंगे, ready होंगे, then I'll look again very beautiful in Paris. Okay, bye. It's Sunday. It's our day off. Woke up, had the coffee croissant, slept, took a nap, read a little bit, got ready. Now we're going to this flea market, which you probably will know about already because I post कर चुकी हूँ, but now you'll probably see it. It's called Marché Dauphine, I think. And yeah, so we're on our way there right now. तो हम ट्रेन लेके जा रहे हैं. बड़ा टाइम लगा पहले तो टिकट ही निकालने में, फिर अब निकल गई, अब हम जा रहे हैं. So let's go. Okay, so not a very successful trip to the flea market because हम यहाँ मेरे ख्याल से 4 बजे के आसपास पहुँचे थे. Usually it's open till 6:15, लेकिन आज इतनी गर्मी है, it's 32 degrees, और यहाँ के लोग की बैंड बज गई है. So they're all shutting stores early and just leaving. We were lucky to get some records because Prashant wanted some, I wanted to get some for my friends. And there's this beautiful art studio here. She's from Tunisia, but she's been in France. It's down this way, so stand 6101 Niche, second left is where you'll find that. You should really go check it out. So she makes art on recycled paper. It's beautiful. we got here 1 minute before the light show started. Ideally, I would have loved to be in the garden looking at the Eiffel Tower light up, but this is a great view. Also, it's our last night in Paris, so we had to end it iconic. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the vlog. 6-7 दिन की ये ट्रिप, पता ही नहीं चला यार हफ्ता कहाँ ऑलमोस्ट सारा निकल गया, बट अब ख़त्म हो रही है. और अगर ऐसे बस ऐसे करके देखो तो सोचने में आता है कि पता नहीं क्या ही कर लिया इस वीकेंड पे, अजीब हो गरीब, कि सोचा ही नहीं था एक दिन उठेंगे जाएंगे पेरिस और ओलंपिक्स के लिए 10,000 किलोमीटर कह रही हूँ 10,000 मीटर भाग के आएंगे, बस एवं मज़े में, बड़े मज़े आए. Huge shout out to IOC, which is the International Olympic Committee, for even considering me for this, because honestly अगर इस तरह का कोई opportunity नहीं आती ना, तो I had no reason to train or even try to run a 10K ever. I used to not even like running before I did this. और पता है हमारा जब शेकआउट रन हुआ था तो सारे कह रहे हैं कि आप उठ के बहुत सारा प्रोटीन खाना, एनर्जी बार्स खाना, शुगर, सॉल्ट, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. मैंने रन से 1.5 घंटा पहले चैम्पियंस मील खाया है, विच इज़ नूडल्स एंड डम्पलिंग्स. एंड इफ आई कैन डू दैट ऑन डम्पलिंग्स, you can do that on dumpling. I think that should just become a rule now. Just saying. Keep that in mind next time you want to start running. But yeah, overall very very fulfilling week. Definitely one for the books. I mean this is just crazy. इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता. मेरे को तो ये डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं हो रही बात कि मैं बस आई हूँ and Olympics reached out and I did it and now it's done. And now I'm sitting. I'm going to go home and frame my bib. I have like a medal and everything. It's quite bizarre. But yeah, thank you for giving me this life that kind of keeps presenting these mad opportunities. Also, all of y'all were so sweet with like your messages and comments over my posts, like so encouraging. So I just kept going kilometer after kilometer and I did 10K, which is just mad. Did I mention it's mad? It's mad. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm tired. I fly out tomorrow. I have a bunch of work to finish in the morning. But I'm just gonna go to bed very, very happy, and a huge chunk of the reason for that is you. So thank you. I will see you soon until we meet. Love, love.